Have you ever read an entire page only to realize you don't remember a single word? Or felt the frustration of a blank mind during a crucial meeting or exam? Information is growing, but our brains feel like they're running out of storage. But what if I told you the problem isn't your brain, it's your operating system? My name is Narayan Chandra Rauth. For over 30 years, I have served as an English teacher, guiding thousands of students through the complexities of language. But behind the scenes, I was a seeker. My journey into memory science began decades ago with Harry Maddox's How to Study. Since then, I have been obsessed with one question: how can we learn better, faster, and deeper? From my early days as a student to my recent mastery training with mentors like Bhuban, Dhanesha, and Latesh, Shah at Growth Vidyapeeth, Mumbai, I have refined the science of learning. I have transitioned from being a lifelong seeker to a devoted memory trainer and study skill technician. Here at Memory Science Academy, we do not do rote memorization. We do brain science. I will teach you how to read faster with deeper comprehension, how to build memory palaces for vast amounts of data, and study techniques that turn hours of struggle into minutes of flow. Whether you are a student, a professional, or a lifelong learner, I am here to show you that your memory is a muscle, and I have the workout plan. The age of information overload is over. The age of the master learner has begun. Join me and let us unlock the hidden potential of your mind. Hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell, and welcome to the Academy.